Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Nord 3, and today I will show you how we can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you want to open up your settings. From here we're gonna select additional settings from the bottom, and then we're gonna scroll down again where you will find backup and reset. And here you can select reset phone and then erase all data. So give you a very brief message. This will clear all data. So we're going to select erase data. Are you sure you want to continue? This will erase all data and cannot be undone. Obviously, if you have anything on your device, you might want to create a backup copy of it if you plan to preserve this kind of data. That data would include things like photos, music, videos, documents, anything that have put on this device on the storage of the phone itself. So if you have anything like that, cancel, make a copy to maybe something like your computer, and then go back here and go through it. Once you select erase all data a second time, it will begin factory resetting your device. This process will take about a minute to finish up, and once it's completed, you'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.